Hey guys, I'm back and I gotta film. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified when I post a brand new video. My dad is picking up potatoes at my garden because this. And he has to, oh my god, he has to because it's fall already. It's getting cold, so our garden, not anymore. No. Let's go! Let's go. Okay, my sister. Okay, we're with my dad at the potato garden. Here it is. Almost fell. Almost fell. That would not be good. Just harvesting some potatoes. Look at that. There's some potatoes. Say hi.
Hello, harvest time.
Let me show you. There it is.
Potato.
We're gonna go over here. So you can look at that. Yeah, harvest time.
See guys, big guys, big.
Look how big that is, guys. This is how many my dad picked out, right, Pa?
Yeah,
Whoa. How many potatoes are there?
there, a lot there.
That's all the potatoes. Why is potatoes all the way over there?
Lots of potato right now.
Okay, my dad is right there. Just gonna check out. I'm gonna go.
Big.
Oh my
Look.
gosh, look how big that potato is. I'm gonna go back to the grilling, okay?
Yeah, here, see.
Look, you guys. It's super big.
Potato, lots of potato here. Come here.
And some of them are still small because they haven't grown yet.
See, look.
Look how big that is.
Ah,
Whoa. We're gonna go back to grilling. Bye. Bye.
bye bye.
Doing it, guys. The smoke. Have to come back to the smoke that I don't do good with smoke. And I'm gonna go back to the harvesting. So we're gonna check with my mom, and she's in my house, in our house. So I'm gonna go. Oh, this is so much warmer, and I don't smell any smoke. We're having a photo party. Mom's setting out the table right now. Okay. My mom don't want to get filmed, so we're not gonna film her because she doesn't want to, and I get it.
1 hour later.
Okay, my dad is still here harvesting. You could see. I'm gonna go down and look at him. Let me show you. Give me 1 second. You what? Look at that, you guys. Look how much potato there is.
Here.
Pa, you will talk and
Look.
Pa,
Huh?
you will talk and tell them what's happening, and I'll just be quiet, okay?
Yeah.
Just tell them what's happening or the structure in the potato. You just missed one over there. There's a root with a potato still.
Yeah. You know guys, lots of potato right now. So now it's still
Harvesting.
harvesting.
Because
Yeah, potato guys.
we just put the seed like not a lot. Well, actually we did. I don't know how they're gonna grow. Probably didn't get watered. But look, this is how many potatoes my dad got. And this is the branches, And then my dad's going at the strawberries next, right?
Yeah. Then, it's very easy to harvest, right, guys? See, careful.
Yeah. It's very easy to harvest.
Look. So
Probably will get dirty.
yeah,
Oh, look at how big that one. Look how big this ones are. Look at that.
big.
Big.
Put
Put
there.
that in the pile. That's still in the pile.
Big.
Look how big that is.
Whew.
It's a giant one. Like a lot of, well, that's actually probably the biggest one we have. Somehow I got to show you the potatoes. Gotta
Here.
work that for you guys. It's a big one too. There's a lot of big, oh my gosh, that's one of a giant one. No, actually that's like the biggest one so far.
Yeah.
And that, no, and that one. There's a lot of big ones, you guys. Look how giant that is. A butterfly can fly because it's saying her own name. And that thing, I don't. Okay, it looks like it can fly, but I don't think it. Okay, yep, it can fly, but I don't think it can.
Big.
I don't think you don't know how to. Like the starter of a butterfly is probably her. Oh, it's coming close to me. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I mean, I like butterflies. Oops. That one just... My dad was trying to get that out of the dirt and it just fling over there. I couldn't film it. It just flicked all the way over there. Could you see that potato? He flinged it all the way over there by digging. That butterfly almost got it. See, that butterfly almost got it. I don't know why it just won't.
Big.
Whoa, that's a big one. I don't know why it won't just fly too, but you know, that's totally fine. It's trying to fly. I think it's just a baby butterfly, but now this one. I don't think Ada has any. I saw some potatoes over there. Over there, guys.
This?
No, there's one right there.
Yeah. I remove this one.
My dad's just taking the roots. There's a lot of roots, but they're all dead because it's cold now. Okay, that's tiny. Ooh, look at that one. That looks big.
Look.
That one's a little bigger. Whoa, that's big. That's one of our giants. We got some big potato. So disgusted to turn it around. So my dad's just harvesting a lot of stuff because, you know, we have to get ready. Farming is about, you know, getting food. So you don't have to go to the shop all the time. We just harvest it.
A few moments later.
Go back to harvesting. What did my mom just put down? We're gonna see what my mom just put down. Ooh, another big one.
Another one. Another
Ooh.
one. Another one here.
It's a lot of big. So close to the worms. Oh my gosh, all of them are from the roots mostly. I don't want to step on the worms on the dirt, so that's why I'm gonna go over here. Because like that, just picking it. If it's in the root, just pick it out. Like it's like a strawberry, you know.
Here, see?
Ooh, look how big, look how much there is in here. It's freezing, my hand is super cold. But that's so cold. Ew! Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Ew, there's so many big ones and little ones, but I see so much more. My dad is gonna put it in a plastic bags. I don't know where it is, but he is. Then we're gonna go to the strawberries.
Look.
Oh, that, look how much. So my dad has thought there's not gonna be a lot of potatoes, but there's so many, right?
Yep.
And we have a lot at home too because my mom was harvesting. Oh, that was a big one. There's a lot of big ones. Medium, bigs, big giant, and there is small. Pa, over here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that one is a big one. Ew, that's a fat snake. Sorry about that. You guys, I just saw a snake and it was fat. So my dad, he couldn't get that one out because it was big, so he was just digging around it. Make sure. Oh, there's two. I think it. Butterfly, poor butterfly. How about, at least he has a home now. My dad has a lot of potatoes picked up. Now putting the potatoes in here. The best. My dad's harvesting another thing, strawberries and I don't know what, squash.
Yeah, put in the plastic.
The plastic is way.
Guys, ang daming ko, no?
Okay, let's have a little.
Daming mga patatas.
AKA potatoes.
Yeah, then
Oh, I get it. When you're what is it called? I'm trying to spell.
planting.
No.
If you have planting, you can harvest.
Yeah, that's what it means. When you're planting, you have to harvest. Okay.
Okay. It's full. Another one.
You guys, this is gonna take a while, so we're gonna speed forward this, okay? Guys, so my dad is done harvesting everything. So this is the end of my vlog. Hope you like it. So just want to say like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified when I post a brand new video. And so, do you like the background though? It's a tree background. See? Oh, I picked a perfect background. Oops, sorry about that. Super cold. And I think it stopped raining, but it's still cold. My hand is actually frozen. So I just want to say bye, guys.